So in our last class we have discussed about attribute views, where in which we generated the attribute view based on the attributes or the characteristics of a customer or an item and so on. So in this class today we will discuss about analytical views. Analytical views in SAP HANA will be used to implement a multi-dimensional model. So what is multi-dimensional model? In multi-dimensional model, a fact table is connected to multiple dimensional tables. So we don't have a dimensional table concept in SAP HANA here. So we have the attributes. So we have the attributes in the different tables and we have facts in the different tables, which we have these facts in one different table and the attributes in the different table. So you can connect these facts with the attributes to generate the reports using the facts with the attributes. For example, you have a fact an attribute table called product attribute, which is having product ID, product name, product category, etc. in its attribute master data table. And customer master contains customer ID, customer name, city, state, etc. And the shop master is contains shop ID, shop name, city, etc. And your fact table is having the information about the order number, product ID, customer ID, shop ID, quantity, and amount. But as my end user, my customer needs a report. For example, your branch manager needs a report with all the orders, the quantity and amount which is sold, and along with the product name and which shop, from which shop, the shop name, and the to which customer this particular order ID is sold. So I can go back and drill down my report based on customer name, product category, shop name, quantity, shop name. So to generate this kind of information, I have to gather the information from master data tables and join that information along with the fact table. So you know that we can create an attribute view which can collect the information of attributes that are nothing but qualities of the particular entity, which from the multiple tables, so and generate it as an attribute view. And this attribute view you can associate it to a fact table by using join, logical join, and then you can create the analytical view. So, and you can produce your analytical view. Analytic view looks like something like this: order number, product name, cost name, product category, shop name, and quantity and amount. Quantity and amount, these two are the measures which you want to generate or aggregate based on the product category. I want to see what is the total quantity sold for a particular category and what is the total amount generated for a particular category, or what is the total quantity sold to to the particular customer and of a particular product name. So if you want to drill down the report to this levels, you can use these analytical views. Analytical view can be directly used as a source for the reporting. Yes, you can generate the reports based on your analytical views. Or these analytical views can be used as further in another calculated views. You can use them either directly for the reporting purpose, or you can use them in a calculated view. So let us see how to create this in the system. So let's go to our HANA Studio. Let's go to our HANA Studio, and where we can create these information views. We can create any of the information view under our content folder in a HANA system. So already we have seen that we have one folder called JH_HANA1 as a package for us. So under the same thing, we can go and create this analytic view. Create analytic view, right click, new analytic view. So enter the name of the analytic view, saying that analytic underscore view underscore sales. I'm going to generate the sales related analytic view and finish. So for this analytic view, so when you see that, if you compare this screen, whatever the analytic view editor, if you compare this with your attribute view editor, you might have been find the difference in this scenario here. So in attribute view, we have only two parts in the scenario. One is the data foundation and another one was the semantics. But when it comes to analytic view, we have three layers here. The one is the data foundation, then you have logical join, and then you have semantics, right? So how do we use this and how do we create? Now as already we know that we have to drag our source tables into our data foundation, similar to your attribute view. But here I'm going to drag my fact table into data foundation. Shop facts, just you bring it into data foundation. And you choose what you want, what are the facts that you want to be part of your view. You can just select article ID, which is required for me to join with the other things. And I want amount sold and quantity sold. I would also go and find my data based on the shop related information. So I am taking shop ID as well. So I have 4 columns. I will move this to second place here, that is article ID, shop ID, amount and quantity sold, right? So once this is done, so now I want to join my attributes. So already I have these attributes related to the color. Otherwise I will prepare an attribute view which is going to have the shop information as well as the article information. So we will create an attribute view as part of this example here based on those things. Come to content and you have, and we will use the attribute view here, whatever that. I don't want to go for the shop ID. Yes. So come here, we have JH_HANA1. In this I have a couple of attribute views available already, which we were created in previous things. So I have AB_article_view or article_att_view, right? I'll just bring this AB_article_view into my logical chain. You cannot bring that into data foundation because it is already, the foundation was already laid down. So you can bring that into your logical join. Now what are the parts of this? What does it contain? Your article view contains the information related to your article properties, that is article ID, article label, category, sales price, family name. So you pick and you have to join these two things. What is the column that which we can use to join this? I have article ID here and I have article ID here, right? So you can join these two and you just auto layout it. So we joined the article view, attribute view with your data foundation. Now you just simply save this and activate it. Once this is activated, you just click on your data preview. Go to raw data. We have article ID, article label, category, sales price, family name, family code, amount sold, quantity sold. All this information, what is there, you have everything here. So you can do this analysis. Suppose quantity sold on a particular category, right? Some. Otherwise, if you want to do this category again based on the article family name, you can do this. Otherwise, you can do like this. Okay, family name, under that you have category. This is the accessories, is the family name, under that you have multiple categories. Your samples, your launch wear, you have jewelry, you have hats, gloves, scarves, you have this as the hair accessories as a category, right? In this way you can generate your report. So this is only preview. So this is how you can generate an analytical view with the help of the attribute view. So that's it for this video. If you like this video, please like that video and subscribe my channel to get more videos on the SAP HANA. I am here to prepare many more videos on SAP HANA which can helpful to you people for preparing for your interviews. Thank you.